Well, today I wanted to actually do another tutorial on how to use Excel. I have since, if you've seen some of my previous videos, I have since actually converted over to a MacBook Pro, and I'm used to using the Windows-based version of Excel, but have since converted to the Mac, like I mentioned. But I wanted to show you just some simple functions. It doesn't matter if you're using a Windows-based Excel of Microsoft or if you're using a Mac. The concepts and the way you work within a Excel spreadsheet is still pretty much the same. I recently got a comment on one of my videos on how do you transpose data, so I wanted to do that as an example. So let me go ahead and just jump right in. So if you need to transpose data, what that means is basically taking a set of data that, let's say, in this particular example here, this is all going, across a row in a horizontal fashion, but I don't want it to be horizontal. I want it to actually outline the names in a vertical kind of column format. It's very, very easy to do, so I'm going to do this very, very slow, but if you are watching and it's your first time going through, I highly recommend opening up maybe the YouTube video that I'm showing you here, but then also having, minimized an Excel workbook where you've got the example laid out just to kind of walk through the steps and to give you practice. And the one thing that I've learned with using Excel is that practice makes perfect. So why don't we just go ahead and jump in and I will show you how to transpose this data. So again, I'm going to take this horizontal row filled with a bunch of names and actually convert it into a vertical column. And all you need to do, the easiest way for me to show you is actually do a copy. So on a MacBook Pro, I would essentially be doing a Command C. Oops. Oh shoot. And once I've got my data copied, I like to use the paste functionality. There's a drop down arrow here that I like to use and it's called paste, and you want to select paste special. And the best way to do this, I like to use values, and then there's a checkbox here that you can select. It's called transpose. When you select that box and you hit OK, it will automatically outline your data as you see here in a vertical column, as you see listed in column D. So it's very easy to do. So let's just say my data, when I first get it, is in a vertical column, but I want to outline the data in a horizontal fashion similar to what you see up above. Again, all you need to do is select the data that you want to transpose. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Control C. Another way to do that is your normal, and let me just edit and copy. So either way or method you want to use works. So you can do Control C, which obviously you see the shortcut, or you can just do the edit copy selection. So now that I've got my data copied, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. So again, you want to hit paste. There's actually an option here called transpose. So that'll work, or you can do, again, the method that I showed you where you go into paste special, you select your values, and then you transpose. But let's go ahead and hit transpose. So that seems to be an easier shortcut. So if you are a MacBook Pro user, you can use the transpose functionality. But I know that within a Windows-based Excel application, it does not give you the transpose functionality as you see here in the drop down. So depending on the version and the year and make of your Excel, you may see different options. I believe I'm on a 2013 version of Excel, so again, my view here may look a little bit different. So other than that, I again just showed you just some of the basics on how to transpose data. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and a like. Otherwise, feel free to comment if you have any other requests or if you would like to see other features within Excel. All right, you guys have a good day.